This 2021 Dutchmen Voltage 4145 triple slide, 13 feet garage and 1.5 baths is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Dutchman is 44 feet 2 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 7, skylight, auxiliary battery, slideout, self-contained, air conditioning, TV, and 162 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, loft, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Dutchmen Voltage 4145 triple slide, 13 feet garage and 1.5 baths is 15,880 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.